All right, guys, so you just made a phenomenal profit on your flip. What do you do next? So with what we are teaching and doing and showing you, we're gonna give you our top 4 things that come next for you. Number 1, get a coach or a mentor. If you are going to do any long-term investing of any kind, flipping, building, anything else, we recommend a coach and or a mentor. We have both.
And we pay for them, and it is worth every.
Couldn't agree more. So it is exceptionally good to have somebody that you can bounce ideas off of. Hey, is this a good deal? Is this a good deal? It's always good to have a second set of eyes, even if you are working with your spouse. Nikki and I work day in and day out together. It's good to have a third set of eyes to take a look at a deal and really see, is this something that you want to get into or not? And then also having somebody that's going to make you and hold you accountable to your goals. It's exceptionally beneficial to have somebody that's going to be there and tell you, hey, look, you're just not cutting it today, or today was phenomenal. And a coach wins when you win. And it makes it so beneficial when you know that today I get to go tell my coach about my win. It's phenomenal to be able to have that experience.
And also, I think it's important to have a team around you, being a team. You know, like you and I are clearly a team, or building a team. Do you want to elaborate on that?
Absolutely. So when you're growing your team, there's going to be a lot of different things that you could add. So our recommendations is have 2 or 3 really good general contractors that you go to. Don't have just one. Have 2 or 3 really good title companies. However, I do focus on just one title company because it's been beneficial for us throughout the years to be able to have that singular focus with them.
You do have a backup one though.
Correct, absolutely. So you always don't want to put your eggs in one basket in anything in this business, and that is how growing your team. Maybe as you grow further, you're going to ask for an assistant. An assistant could be on the front end, could be a virtual assistant. They have exceptional virtual assistants now that can take some of that work off of you for the design work and things of that nature. Having a professional stager, having a couple of real estate agents, really build out that team that complements you.
I think it's also important to have a long-term goal and a long-term vision. I don't think any of us get into this business to be poor. So growing long-term wealth is important.
Absolutely. And I think in growing long-term wealth, really what we're talking about is taking your active income or your job and your flipping and investing that, whether it's into single family or multifamily, into a long-term hold. Our saying, and tons of sayings, whether it's Grant Cardone or Gary Vee or all those other guys out there, is cash flow is king. When you don't have to do anything and you have cash flow coming in every single month, that's when you can truly be financially free and understand that that is the direction and the goal of what we want and what we want for you. So the final thing that we want you to do is focus. Focus on your goals, focus on the systems, focus on the ARV, because what you focus on expands. If you focus on creating value for people, creating value in the properties, creating long-term wealth for your family, you're going to succeed. Stay positive, focus on the long-term vision, and if you ever need anything from us, we're here for you.